We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience.
We are here at Chenango State Park in Bearly, New York. We are right across the state line from Pennsylvania. We are getting our boots on, getting the bag packed. Luna is ready to go. And we're gonna be doing a trail around the lakes. And it's about 6 miles. And we'll take you along the way, and hopefully we'll see a lot of views. And it'll be fun. We haven't been out for a hike in a little bit, actually.
So hopefully nobody's out of breath.
We'll see. All right, 0.07. That's all we made it. Luna's already in the water.
Sit. Stay. Get it. A little wet now, it's fine. Want to do another one? Stay. Get! She did the flinch. She wanted to go so bad.
So this is a popular running trail, as you can imagine. Decent amount of elevation gain without...
It's about 400 feet of elevation gain on this entire trail. But we're like actually combining several loops. So we're not just doing the Lily Lake loop or the Chenango loop. Chenango Trail, Chenango Lake loop, whatever it's called. We're doing several different loops combined and going up along the river. So we're making it longer, but this is very popular because you get a decent amount of elevation gain without dying.
Yeah. So we've taken our first offshoot of the trail. We are now going to our first elevation incline. We hit the end of the lake, and this is where we are continuing on up through. So we are approximately here on the trail with our map.
We're in section 8. Hunger Games.
I feel severely under prepared if we're going Hunger Game style.
I volunteer as tribute. Yeah, we didn't get any beer. We have a little bit of food and a little bit of water.
We have a dog.
I don't think that is gonna help us.
She can't get us chipmunks.
I don't
That's
think
right.
anybody can.
I said it. Shots fired, Luna.
What would you actually do though if she came back with a chipmunk in her mouth? I'd be a little afraid she got bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Glad you're up to date on her.
So this is Lily Lake, as you can tell. Lots of lily pads. Luna found a frog.
And some grass.
So this lake is pretty much, oh my gosh, Luna, Luna, come.
And it's the stinky mud too.
Mud report. Luna found stinky mud.
Come on, Lou. Smell. Ew.
Oh yeah, you stink.
You better wash that off in the other lake.
All right, so as I was saying, this lake pretty much parallel to the first lake we were at, which is right over there on the other side of this hill. And now we're headed back to the main trail that we were on.
So if you walk around Lily Lake, it's about 1.2 miles. If you walk around Chenango Lake, it's about 1.6. But we are kind of combining those two trails and looping up here to then go back.
So we've reached our first big decision. Left or right.
Fork in the road. I say we go right.
And we're choosing the right path. So at this point in the trail, we are away from the two lakes.
Yep. So it's less populated, nice covered trail in the shade, which is good for the hot day.
Yes, I enjoy it. And we're exploring the rest of the park now for what it has to offer other than the lakes. We lost Luna in the ferns.
I'm here. Oh, you're so good. She's like, yeah,
I'm making false claims. Wow, look at that overlook. That's really pretty. So we just came from the road. This is the trail that we originally came up on and went over. So now we are gonna head down this trail, and it's gonna take us alongside of the Chenango Lake, yes. This is gonna be the opposite side, and then we're gonna loop around and be done.
So we're finishing up this trail here, coming around, heading back to the truck. I've had a few issues with the GoPro on this trip, so we're gonna try and figure out some bugs when we get home and troubleshoot it and figure it out before our next big trip in a couple weeks here. So we are finishing the hike and heading out towards the truck. So at this lake there is a beach, hence why we're holding Luna dog. Otherwise she just might go swimming with somebody. So yeah, there's a beach up here. You can rent boats and stuff and swim, and it's all roped off, and we have some sand and all of that. So seems like it's pretty popping now that the sun's out a little bit. It's a little bit warmer than this morning when we started. So we're gonna make sure that we hold Luna so she doesn't make some
kicked out.
Yeah, get us kicked out or make some unexpected friends is what I was gonna say, but it's fine. All right, we finished our hike. We are good to go.
Good to go.
6 miles here. Pretty easy. It was mostly flat. There's a very little elevation gain. Luna had some fun, even though she's tucked in the truck already. But besides the GoPro issues, I would say it was a pretty fun hike.
It's a fun, successful hike, yeah.
Yeah. So like I said, we're gonna try and figure out the GoPro issues, and maybe it's just our SD cards or a battery issue or something weird. So we're gonna try and troubleshoot that when we get home. But overall, it was a pretty good hike, and we're excited to go back to the campsite and kind of hang out.
Yeah.
All right.